This is a set of 22 by 9.5 inch Tyfun wheels. Rims, they are dual bolt pattern. They are 5x5 bolt pattern. And I'll list the other bolt pattern. I don't know off the top of my head, but the other bolt pattern will be in the title. So these rims are very presentable on the front side, but two of these rims have been fixed. They have been cracked and they have been fixed. Now the tires, although the tread looks good, the tires are no good. So the tires are just on there, but they are no good. So what I'm about to do, I'm going to turn them over. They also need to be cleaned, but it's chrome. They've been in storage for over 10 years. But I want you guys just to be able to look. They do need a good cleaning. Trying to give you guys a look at all of them. And then I'm going to turn them over so you guys can see the back, so you guys can see the damage. Give me a second. Okay guys, here's the back of the rim. Trying to get you guys a good shot so you guys can see the back of the rim. There's the weight. Here's the next rim. See, there's a ding right there. But at the time when these things were put away, they all held air. Even though they're a little banged up, they all did hold air. Now this is one of the rims that were fixed, as you guys can see right there. Try to get out of the way. You guys can see the crack. It was fixed. I think that's the shop that fixed it right there. Here's weight, and right there is the name again. Fixed it. Also guys, you can see the size right there, 22 by 9.5. And this one was fixed also, as you guys can see right there. But I'll show you guys the whole inside. And that's it. The tires are no good, like I said, as you guys can see. I mean, some of them look better than others, but these tires are old. These tires are worn, as far as you can tell on the edge where there was scraping. The scraping happened when they were on a Chevy Astro. So that's it. But you guys can see them. So I'm not trying to hide anything, but this is why they're cheap. This is why these rims are cheap. Alright guys, so if you're interested, get in touch with me at iPartCars.com. Contact me through iPartCars.com.